The essential question: what is photosynthesis and where does it occur? So plants do photosynthesis and make their own food, unlike animals that have to eat their food. So a couple of vocabulary words. A producer is an organism that makes its own food, like plants. And photosynthesis is the process of using energy from the sun to make sugars that can be stored as energy in the plant. Chlorophyll is the green pigment necessary for photosynthesis. And a pigment is the color. Okay, so the green color in plants is actually from chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are the organelles in the plant cell where photosynthesis occurs. So organelles are those little parts of a cell, and the little part, the chloroplasts, have the chlorophyll in them, and they are the organelles that are doing the actual photosynthesis. So I don't have a color picture. Okay, but these are plant cells. This is part of a plant right here, a leaf. And these are the cells. These darker areas right here, if you saw the real picture, would be a darker green. And those are the chloroplasts. And the chlorophyll is inside of those chloroplasts. Okay, chlorophyll is green because it reflects green light into our eyes, and it absorbs red and blue light. Okay, so things look a certain color because that's the color of light that's reflected into our eyes when we see things. And the plants, the chlorophyll is reflecting the green light, but it absorbs red and blue as energy and transforms that into its chemical energy, its sugars that it's storing. Okay, the formula for photosynthesis, okay, it looks kind of like fancy science stuff, but it's pretty simple, and you probably already know this even if you haven't really thought about it in these terms. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O yields 6 O2 plus C6 H12O6. So what does that mean in real words? Carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, plus 6 molecules of water, when combined with energy from the sun, yield 6 molecules of oxygen and a molecule of glucose. So carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so plants take in carbon dioxide through their leaves and water through their roots, and then they use energy from the sun to make oxygen, which they give off through their leaves, and we breathe in, we need their oxygen, and glucose, okay, or sugars that are stored in the plant. Okay, so these are the reactants, and these right here are the products. And last slide, energy transformation that occurs inside the plant cells. Okay, we talk about energy transformations in physical science. So plants change radiant energy from the sun, sunlight, into chemical energy stored as glucose. So remember, they're absorbing those red and blue wavelengths. Remember the electromagnetic spectrum? Okay, we have radiant energy on there. Those colors are absorbed, and the plants are creating glucose, C6H12O6, using that energy and transforming it.